Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and my Pear girl is still in her Winterfest PJ with a warm drink. I bought her some clothes on eBay. They're very cute, but I wasn't pleased because I got a good deal on the clothes, but she charged me $5.50
Each.
each. I paid $11 shipping. And I questioned her because she did not get tracking on these. And she told me, well, the part of the price of the clothing is in the shipping. Well, you know what? That's against eBay policies because then they don't get their money. And you could have added tracking for such a small amount. But let's open up and see what I got. I will not buy from her again because of it. If I leave her feedback, I will certainly put that in her feedback. Oh God, that is cute. Cute, cute, cute. And you know I love the frogs. Cute, cute, cute. I think that's the one we're going to put on her. And let's open this one. Both of these I couldn't resist because of what's on them. Yeah, $1.77 each. And she charged me $11 shipping. I am not happy. All right, let's get this open.
That looks like an AliExpress package.
Yeah, it does. You know what? That looks like an AliExpress shirt, come to think of it. I wonder if these aren't, they are. They are. These are AliExpress 18-inch doll clothes. Betcha. Let's try it on her and see. It says made in China. So I bought AliExpress clothes. I guess I was thinking something else or not paying attention. I don't usually look at the 18-inch clothes on AliExpress. I haven't for a while, I should say. I guess I'm going to go do that because it is a cute outfit. It is a very cute outfit, but I'm not very happy about what I paid for it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and don't tell me, boy, you've sure been bitching a lot about stuff you're buying. And subscribe.
And hit the notification bell.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Yeah, always a good time.
Yeah.